Hey guys, what's happening? Outdoor Viking here, and I'm finally bringing you the video on the Moab 6. Yeah, so this pack I've pretty much been using as an EDC sling, EDC go bag for the past couple of weeks now. Just trying it out. It's small enough so you can wear it without noticing that you've really got that much gear on, or for me it's not really what's the word, like conspicuous. People don't really notice that you're carrying it either. Sling this pack in the car, go to the shops, go anywhere, just out on your daily little walk, maybe, whatever. I have actually been taking this pack sort of to and from work, along as my work bag, along with my work bag, I should say, just to sort of have in the vehicle. As you can see, it's got a few little mods on, so I've put these on. Can just sling a coat through, like a jacket, whatever, jumper, whatever you fancy. Carry a few more bits if you need to. Nice little patch there. We'll start off with the admin pouch. The one thing that annoys me with this bag are these little like storm flaps or whatever you'd call them, because they just get in the way when you're trying to like get quick access, if you get me, and it really annoys me. Anyway, into the admin pocket, not too much going on in here. I have a right in the rain pad, Leatherman case with the bit set and bit extension, or extension bit for my Leatherman signal. That is on the table. That's not really in here, that's always in my pocket. Got a couple of knives, UK PK, very nice knife, UK legal. Delica 4, that's actually, well, it's not UK legal, but it's like my work knife. Leatherman Skelly tool, KXP, again, just another utility knife. Then this little contraption, the Snappy. It's like got a little extendable like bit on it, plasma lighter, awesome. Then in the back, iPad mini, not too fancy, 6th gen iPad mini. Take it everywhere with me, take it to work, whatnot, check emails, check the channel. That is it for that one. You've got a concealed carry compartment, don't carry anything in that. This top little sort of padded pocket then, Oakley's case for my Oakleys, and then when I am at work or finishing work, I normally dump my pockets in here. So Night Court EDC 27, Civi, can't think of the name of that, but beast of a knife, probably my favourite little folder I've got at the minute. Victorinox Micro, or Micro, whatever it's called, or Classic, sorry. And that's it for that one. Nothing in this little pocket. Sometimes keep some like Tums in there, like Rennies we call them in the UK. In the main pocket then, quite a decent sized little pocket, get quite a bit of gear in. You've got these little mesh pockets. I've got one of these, can't think of the name. Apex Specialist. It's basically like a screwdriver. I got this off Amazon. It's actually really good though. Really nifty little EDC device. Hoto screwdriver. All your essential different bits in there for like knife adjustment and whatnot. Really, really cool. Picked that up on Amazon. Getting the Black Friday sale. My pen. This is, can't even think of the name of this now, but it's titanium with the Right in the Rain. Some little titanium tweezers my girlfriend bought me. I think they're off Temu. And some vape juice. Another little pocket under here then. I've just got some Strepsils. Oh no, sorry, I've got migraine relief tablets. Suffer from migraines. Snacks pouch. Probably seen this before, there's all sorts of goodies in here. Energy gels. Energy tablets, you can put them in like your water. Some more energy gels. That's my favourite one, the cola. Beautiful. Teas, coffee, milk, sugar. Some like hard sort of sweets there. Butter candies, Werther's Original. Protein bar. Big pack of Skittles. Some little wipes. Just all sorts in there really for when I'm out and about, at work. Just need a little pick-me-up out in the woods or whatnot. Yeah, just, you can never have enough little sugar boosters, you know what I mean? Bit of energy throughout your day. Probably a bit overkill, but hey, I'm an active bloke. Spider core triangle sharp maker. Probably a bit overkill, but if I have a spare half an hour at work, I can touch a blade up. If I go around my partner's house, touch a blade up, you know what I mean? I enjoy it. Then I've got like a jet boil, OEX brand, really small, fits in here perfect. It's got the gas. It's like a full cooking setup, to be honest. I always like to have this with me. It being this or my jet boil. My jet boil is actually in my work bag. Because when I'm at work, I sometimes make a coffee because I'm always on the road. So this comes in, even if I'm at the woods, cook something to eat. And talking about food, I keep, well, I've got these down gloves in here, Montane down gloves. At the minute it's winter, or just getting into winter I should say. I'll show you these really quick. Really good bit of kit these. What is going on? If I can actually open the bloody bag. So they're packed out in nothing, and it's Pertex, so it's like a duck down glove, wind chill, anything really. Absolutely superb. Bit pricey, but you pay for quality, don't you? And when I'm out on a walk or whatnot with the dogs, with this bag, they're a lifesaver. Foil blanket, emergency blanket, whatever. Why not? Weighs nothing. And then one of these beef and stew with potatoes, rehydrate it with the with the stove. So normally I don't keep water in here. You could, I've got room for it, but I always go out with a water bottle. I've got 2 water bottles in my work bag as well. But yeah, I love this one. Beef stew with tatties. I get this one quite a bit. The last absolutely years, 2028. And yeah, to be honest, I think that is it. But as you can see, guys, really small bag. It's got all this gear in. You know, these are a bit bulky to, like, you feel the weight a little bit, but to be honest, the bag itself's padded well. Very comfortable. iPad. The gloves weigh nothing. I sometimes keep my action cam in there, the DJI Action 3. I've got probably an overkill of knives, to be honest. These aren't always in here, excuse me. They're not always in there, maybe one or two. The flashlight's always in there, because that just literally leaves my pocket and goes back in, and the leather and bits are always in there, as long as like with these bits, that's not in my pocket, it's in the bag, and the screwdriver. But yeah, that is it guys. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.